I want your hand. I want your hand so delicate and enough to hold an angel on the wing. You are tired of writing. You feel old. The lamp, its filament soaked in lamp oil, blackening the page. The dream you had that weaver you will remember. Did it matter what we look like? They work for themselves. In the afternoon you ride a truck packed with roses, red and gray, packed so full you wonder why the driver is grinning. Is it a smile we will get? You tell me the color and size. The smile of a rose is so fine. And you remember laughing with another poet, spilling a drink before heading back to your room. And if he smile? Well, that means the dreamer doesn't count. A still life with an abstraction, a dark field, a hand. This is not the poem, for poetry is about something real. Still, you want to learn how to smile like that poet, that dreamer from way back, that dreamer who made you want poetry in the first place, who set this moment on this scrap of paper filled with bright news, a wedding present from a girl who will paint your name. A hand.